anniversary being celebrated in grand occasion. How do you feel you find an LD and you witness it today?
Give glory to God. Because it's an organization that passed a lot of problems. This was civilized organization in Nigeria, if not in Africa. The organization people misconceived from the beginning. It's an organization that was dependent on the people and the people who are aligned into the organization. So we thank God, give God glory for us to be in a system as one of the founders. Out of the 9 people that founded OPC, we are just 4 alive today. 5 are demise. So we thank God, we give God glory for all what we have passed through for a period of 25 years. This is an organization, government has made a statement about 3 times as one organization. This is an organization, government has made a statement of suicide that we lost about 270 people within 3 days. This is an organization that some of our leaders, even I was in prison for 14 months. And at the same time, I was declared wanted 17 months. I was declared wanted for about 14 months. So the organization was in prison for 25 years. And there's a lot of impediments on our way. But God is really mercy surmount all the impediments. And at the same time, we give glory to the media. We thank the media, we thank the civil society, we thank the traditional institutions. We thank the progressive minded of Nigeria for supporting us. Because if not for the support of the external, we may not survive all these issues. And we thank God for all the eminent scholars who normally come to our prayer, our organization, to give lectures and symposiums. And we give credit to all the jurists, those lawyers who stood by us in the name of government. And we thank God for a very good-minded Nigeria who always with us without even close to us. So the organization have nothing but to celebrate it at the age of 25 years. Silver Jubilee is not a year they can pass through without celebrating. That was one of the reasons we have to award some people, both posthumous, and those who are alive, those who have supported us in the country.
Nígbà tọmọdé bá ṣubú àwọn wájú, tágbà bá ṣubú àwọn ènìyàn. Kí ni ẹ fi àkórí ọdún 25 tí ẹgbẹ́ OPC tó ti wà láyé? Kí lẹ fẹ́ fi sọ? Kí sì ni àfojúsùn ọjọ́ iwájú?
Ọjọ́ iwájú wa tó sọ ọdún àdàkọ̀ wípé tí Nàìjíríà ò bá yí padà, a ní option pé káà náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bá wọn ṣe òṣèlú. Kò sí bí a ṣe lè máa jàjàǹgbara lọ títí láéláé tí a lè àṣìwọ̀n àwọn ọ̀hún. A ti rí débi pé ìgbà míì wà wá ta lórúkọ tá a ti wà ní ìjàǹgbara fún ọdún 25 tá a bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ibùdó ṣáàmà local government ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ fẹ́ lágbára ju tiwa lọ. Àwa wò pé ìjàǹgbara tá a jà yín náà a ti gbìyànjú. Ní kí ìjàǹgbara lẹ̀ o, apákan á wà fún ṣe, apákan á wà fún ìjàǹgbara. Àwa lè sọ pé báyìí láyé fẹ́ darí àwọn èèyàn ọkọ̀ tá a fẹ́ rèé. Torí tí a bá gbogbo agbára wa gbé ẹlòmíì wọlé nínú òṣèlú, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tó máa lọ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n bá lẹ̀ ní gbàgbára tó kò fún ọ̀tọ̀ lè ṣe. Ẹni tó orí tó rìn lórí títì bí ordinary person, tó bá ti gba agbára yẹn tó ti lè sọ mí ìwọ̀n lọ́wọ́. Àwọn èèyàn wa àtàwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wa àtàwọn ẹgbẹ́ tá a mọ̀ lókù, ìta bá dé ìta bá wò fún bí oṣù 6 tí ò bá yí padà. Ní ọ̀ṣọ̀ bí àwọn olóyìnbó ṣe sọ láti fi pé káwa náà wọ ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú wọn. Òṣèlú wọn bí mẹ́nìkan, gbogbo ayé ló nílùú. Ẹni tó bá náà kó oníwà dáadáa ló máa ń ṣèlú, táyé bá fẹ́ ló ń ṣèlú. Wọn sọ pé wọn kọ ìjàngbara mọ́ wa látòdì ọ̀run pé ibẹ̀ la máa kú sí. Mandela bẹ̀rẹ̀ ó wọnú òṣèlú. Àwọn iṣu Gani Fáàmì tó kú ó wọnú òṣèlú. Gbogbo àwọn ìfún bẹ́ẹ̀ Fálànà yìí ó ti contest senator délé. Wọ́n bá yé ń jà lọ yẹn, ẹ bá ń jà lọ kò sí kọta lágbára òṣèlú ò lè sọ yín di o. Wọ́n lè sọ yín, wọ́n lè pè é terrorist kò sí fẹ́ jẹ́lẹ̀ escape ẹ̀. Wọ́n lè pè é ní ẹni tó pààyàn kò sí kọta ẹ̀ lè ṣe torí agbára òṣèlú ó ju gbogbo agbára lọ lórí orílẹ̀-èdè. So a ti wò ó pé láàrin oṣù 6 ní Nàìjíríà ò bá wà ní structure àní church pé kàdára fún.
Lákòótán sà, lákòótán.